If you're experiencing the Cloud Save Error 2026 in Call of Duty, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue and get back to gaming. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Call of Duty server status page to ensure that the servers are operational. If there are ongoing issues, you may need to wait until they are resolved. Step 2. Restart your game. Close the game completely and restart it. This can refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're on a PC, use the game launcher like Battle, Net or Steam to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Clear cache. For console players, clearing the cache can help. Power off your console, unplug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in and restart. This can help refresh the system and fix connectivity issues. Step 5. Relink your account. If the problem persists, try unlinking and then relinking your Activision account. This can help reset any account-related issues that might be causing the Cloud Save error. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Cloud Save Error 2026 and enjoy your gaming experience without interruptions.